Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about why Times Square is so famous. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was Times Square always called Times Square? No, it was originally called Longacre Square. Did Times Square get its name from a newspaper? Yes, it was named after the New York Times. Is Times Square located in Brooklyn? No, it is located in Manhattan. Is Times Square famous for its quiet and peaceful atmosphere? No, it's famous for its bright lights and nonstop energy. Does a New Year's Eve ball drop happen in Times Square? Yes, it's a famous tradition watched worldwide. Are there over 40 Broadway theaters in the Times Square area? Yes, Broadway is a major attraction in Times Square. Is Times Square closed at night? No, it is open 24 hours a day. Is Times Square called the crossroads of the world? Yes, because people from around the globe gather there. Are advertisements banned in Times Square? No, it's known for its massive electronic ads. Does Times Square play an important role in American theater and media? Yes, it is a center for entertainment and global advertising. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.